Good morning, fellow airplane enthusiasts. I have temporarily put the empennage on the back of the D8 to put the push rods in the fuselage. I made new push rods for it out of fiberglass arrow shafts. They're actually 2 ounces lighter than the 3/8 dowels that I had in. Everything is hooked up, working the correct way, and it's deceiving looking at the picture when I'm working the controls. I don't think the camera can keep up. The surfaces do work smooth. They are centered. And yep, this is Ken's Jetty. And have a great day. Yeah, and I turned the camera back on for a minute. This is what I call Ken's Jetty. It's a Tranis X7 radio. Wonderful radio. Yep, Ken's Jetty. Have a good day again. Bye-bye.